Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate the employee salary once you are given a table like this, giving out the salary for the employees, and you are supposed to deduct from the basic salary. So sometimes you might find something like this or something a little bit different, but as long as you get the concept, you can be able to calculate the employee salary within the company that you are employed. So of course the table might not look like this because this is just an example for you to use so that you can play around, so that you give out the correct figures as per the templates that your company has produced. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to give out the net pay, the final amount that person is supposed to get. So these percentages are supposed to be deducted from this basic salary because this is the amount that the company gives you without deduction. So we are supposed to deduct these percentages out of this basic salary. So without wasting time, you'll have to introduce the formula for doing the calculation. So I'll start by saying is equal to into bracket D2, no, not D2, into bracket D6. D6 is here. This is D6. You see, this is the cell where the amount is. So it is D6, and then I put times. I want to get 2% here, so I'm saying 2%, like this, and then I close bracket. Sometimes people can say D6 times, according to Excel you put star is a symbol for times, and then you say 2/100 instead of putting this sign, but for me I prefer putting this sign here, and then I hit enter. So it has given me the amount for house allowance, which is 1200. So what I'm supposed to do here is to drag the remaining answers for this one, the rest. So I'm supposed to come here, and then I click at the corner there where you can see the dot, and of course this one, the cursor will change to positive sign, whereby I have to hold down the left button of the mouse, and then I drag it down like this so that it can give me the answer for the rest instead of repeating the same thing. And the same will also apply here. I'll have to use is equal to into bracket. I say D6 times D6 times 4%, or rather you can say 4/100, like that, and then you click close. It will also give you the answer just as I have mentioned in the first column. You also come here, you say is equal to into bracket, you say D6 times 2%. There's this 2% here, times 2%. And then I enter like that. It's going to give me this amount like that. So I have already calculated the percentages of the deductions. So what I'm remaining with is to add up this deduction, to add up these percentages so that it can give me the deduction. And what am I supposed to do? I'll say is equal to sum into bracket. I begin from here E6, and then I put this sign E6, and then I put G6, and then I close. Then I hit enter. So the total deduction for this one person is 4,800, so I have to drag it down like this. And I'll have to get the net pay. To get the net pay, it means that since I have got the deduction, I'll have to get this minus this so that I can get the net pay. So I'll say is equal to sum into bracket, I say D6 minus H6. Then I close bracket, I enter. You see, I have got the final net pay for every individual. And because I have to put here the total, I'll have to hold down like this. I have to highlight, and then I come here to auto sum. It will give me the total down here, and I'll have to drag going that way like this. So I have already provided the total for the rest of the of the cells of the deductions. So that is how you can do calculations using Excel for employees. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel.